Oo, hindi ako yan. Go. Watch me name. Watch me name. The tallest gondola in the earth.
On earth.
On earth.
On earth. Wow. Yung isa dyan may fear of heights. Pagkatapos nito mawawala na.
Oh. Nanginginig yung itlog ko.
Uy, huwag kang maingin naka-video.
One more, one more.
Taas, grabe. So, ganito kataas? How high? Ilang meters to? Do you know?
No idea. They don't say something.
We don't even ask. We just take it. That's it. Take and go.
That's it.
Ride.
That's it.
Wow, we're
This-
so high now.
So high now. Ooh.
Dapat pala, okay, our suggestion, don't eat a lot before you take this gondola because it's gonna be very, very high. Don't worry about a thing, cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright. So don't worry, be happy now. Yung isa dyan, may fear of heights. Cool na cool. Woo, thank you God for this opportunity. Thank you God.
Oh Lord, thank you so much.
Look, that's our ship. That's Celebrity. And another ship. Then our ship Ovation is over there. Yeah.
Oh my God.
What a beauty. You should
Oh
see this
my
one.
God.
Why don't you come here this side?
No.
Come this side. You can see the ship. Look at the ship. Look at the
baby.
ship.
Oh baby.
Dito ka kasi mas kita mo packet kasi dyan. Dito hindi. Mas hindi ko siya ramdam. Kasi I don't see it. And nakikita ko yung views at your back. Look at the back. Look at the back. So beautiful. So beautiful, everybody. Look at that. We reached the highest peak here. Oh my goodness. It's like Antipolo. Antipolo Hills in
Wow.
Rizal, Philippines. Look at the
Wow.
view, everybody.
Wow, so amazing.
Kinakabahan yung isa dyan.
Totoo yun, hindi ko pinagkakaila yun.
Don't worry about a thing. Ang taas natin, ha? Dito ka, you come this side.
Babe, pero huwag ka nang magulo.
Cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright.
Hindi na biro to.
So don't worry about a thing. Cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright.
Oof.
And don't worry.
Oh, no.
Don't worry. Be happy now. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, 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 toot. Just close your eyes.
No,
If you're gonna take it, close your eyes.
I want to see everything.
Close
see
your
everything.
eyes and see the beauty of Alaska. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the one of the highest peak here in Alaska.
Dito pa
I see
talaga
straight
uminto.
points. That's the best. Look at the view, everybody. Wow, it's amazing. All right, guys. So if you have fear of heights, well,
It's not
You-
good for you.
you have no conquer your fear, ladies and gentlemen. It's all about conquering it. And at the end of the day, you made
Tingnan mo,
it.
hawak ko ka.
You made it.
Hawak ko,
Are you
grabe.
facing me ba or are you facing you?
You're facing, yeah.
Ama? Oh, wow. Okay. All right. My baby is doing great. Look at him. He already conquered his fear.
Oh my
He's a
God.
true man. Yes.
Oh my God. Oh.
What a beautiful sight here. Oh my
Lord.
goodness.
You're amazing, Lord.
Look at this. Look at this.
Oh.
So right now we have 4 ships around here in Icy Strait. Ladies and
Oh
gentlemen,
my
this
God.
is once in a lifetime experience. Look, we are almost at the peak of the mountain here. Look.
Look at
Almost
these
there.
two guys there. Oh, they're not also afraid.
No,
Very
baby.
strong.
No, baby. This is beautiful. This is like Antipolo Hills in in Rizal, where I live, where we live, baby. All right, ladies and gentlemen, don't worry. Stay happy, cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright.
Ah.
So don't worry
Oh.
about a thing.
Kakaiba to. Hindi biro tong nararamdaman ko. Parang umiiwala yung bayag ko. Sakit
Ayan.
ko.
Ano ba
Hindi
yan?
totoo yun. Hindi
Just
naman to. Tingnan mo. oh.
relax.
Nakikita ko lahat.
Relax
Nakikita ko lahat. Hindi
relax
nagbibiro to.
and
Woo!
enjoy the view, ladies and gentlemen.
Hindi nagbibiro.
Enjoy,
Grabe.
enjoy it.
Woo! Pucha!
What a beauty.
Grabe! Nakakatakot!
What a beauty. Look
Grabe.
down, look down. You wanna see down? Look that. Oh, look at
Gaano
that.
kalalim yan, oh. Gaano katarik.
Wow.
Grabe.
We're gonna almost there, almost there.
Paano yung pabalik natin? Ganito ulit?
No, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
You must stay here, going down, so you feel good. You're doing great, babe. You're doing great. Wow, we reached the top, ladies and
Oh my
gentlemen.
God.
We reached it. Woo! Wow, it's amazing.
Woo!
What a feeling! What a feeling!
Kakaiba yung kanina yung huminto. Grabe mama ko, Diyos ko. Tululaway ako. Ito, oh. Tignan mo yung gaano kataas yun.
Woo!
Finally! Ma! Naglakad na lang sila, hindi na nila kinaya. Ito, maglalakad ka na lang pa ganon?
Yeah, of course. Hindi, mas gusto na ng ano, matagal yan. You wanna go down?
Hindi, tingnan lang natin saglit. Nangyari yan.
You made it! You made it! Woohoo!